Hi, welcome to my channel, Ruby Net Crochet Tejido, and this is a small video blog. It's been a while since I did one of those or one of these. Probably like a couple of weeks or more, probably a month. The time go by so fast. It's unbelievable. When I go to bed, I think my goodness, nighttime again and again. You know, it's like where the day is going. You know, it's like so crazy how fast they go. Here I'm working on another tutorial. This beautiful crochet motif. You know, I love knitting for winter, crochet for the summer, so most of the stuff now will be crochet, because I love the crochet because you can do so much with it for the summer. Lightweight summer pieces, and that's what I'm doing here. I'm working in a few tutorials. I'm editing. I paused from my editing to do this small video blog. I just wanted to show you this Wednesday tutorial. What we're gonna do are these beautiful, beautiful little bunnies. I made these two, and then after I made them, I have an afterthought, and I put some eyelashes. I realized that when I was getting ready to edit, I look at them, I said they will look really nice with eyelashes, and then I recorded a little piece and then I inserted in the video before I did the entire editing, because they look absolutely gorgeous. And then when William came back from the school, he absolutely loved them, but he said, "Mommy, they look like girls. Can you make me one for me?" And then I said, "Of course, Willie, choose your color." This is the color that he chose. I said, "Willie, green and blue?" He said, "Yes." It's an Easter bunny. I said, "Okay." And then after I made it, it looked adorable. So what I use for these are pom-poms, and then a little piece of wire. I put it in the ears, in between the ears, that way you can bend them like that. And then for the nose, I use little beads instead of felt. And for the eye, they're buttons. And then I have these little roses. And then I screw them there. And for this one, William picked the little bead for the nose. You can see there's a little bead there. They look adorable. So I used the three different size pom-pom makers. You can make these with cardboard, you know, to make the pom-poms. But I use these three different sizes. The package have these four, but I only use these three. The smallest, the biggest, and the medium one. Body, head, tail, and the feet. So that's what I use for that. So I absolutely love them. So last week I published this tutorial that I absolutely love. I love the way the crochet around the post make these beautiful little roses. So I'm planning to do a probably a vest with this style, because I absolutely love it. I have a request from one of my subscribers to do a vest, and I was thinking, if only she know, I already have that in my mind to do a vest with this beautiful technique. It's a shame that I don't have at the time the yarn one color to do this, but since the red is very bright, don't take away from, you know, these don't take away from the roses, so I make a good contrast. So absolutely love it. So these tutorials on the channel already. So remember, I mentioned in my last blog I was working in some Brook lace motif to do a tabletop. So I made it, and this will be the tutorial after the bunnies. This beautiful circular tabletop. I only did this size because I don't have a circular table. So this is just for the tutorial. So I did the one in the center and 2 rounds of motif. If you want to do this bigger, you can do this bigger. It's absolutely gorgeous. I already have the tutorial on how to do this motif, but the only thing that at that time I have my acrylic nails on, and they are long and take away from the visual seeing what I'm doing. But when I did this tutorial, I recorded how to do the motifs again anyway, just in case. I have a skirt made with these motifs. I did this a while back in the channel. It is absolutely gorgeous, the skirt. I don't have the skirt right now here. I look for it, cannot find it. It's in one of the boxes. But I put some of my stuff away. But I'm gonna take a screenshot. I'm gonna put it here, and I'm gonna leave the link just in case you want to do a skirt with this beautiful brook lace motif. They're very, very easy to do. It's 6 round plus the brook lace. This. Oh, okay. So let me see. 4 round plus the brook lace. I was wrong. 4 round plus the brook lace. So it's very fast, very easy to do, and it look amazing. It's a shame that I don't have any cotton yarn to make this in white or cream or like a bone natural color, because it look amazing that way. But this golden look nice. You can make these for Christmas. Imagine one of these in red and white for Christmas. It will look amazing. So that's this. And looking for the skirt, I found this beautiful dress that I already have the tutorial in the channel. If you're new to my channel and you don't see this dress, I'm gonna leave the link in here. This is a brook lace. Look at how gorgeous this is. And when you put it on, it looks really, really nice. First, I made a tutorial on how to do the blouse, but I don't remember if it's the same tutorial on the blouse and then separate I did another blouse for the skirt, or I did the blouse first and then I added the skirt. Because after I did the blouse, I said this will look amazing as a dress. And then I combined it with these 2 shades of purple and white, and it looks absolutely gorgeous. And you see it like this, I look a little bit weird with this round in here and then the skirt, but I'm gonna take a screenshot when I from the video that I have it on, and because it look really, really, really nice, and I absolutely love it. And I have hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of tutorials in the channel, over 1,000 tutorials in both English and Spanish. So you can go in. If you want to do a summer blouse, you just search on YouTube crochet summer blouse Ruby Stedman or Ruby Neck Crochet Tejido, and you get a few videos, or you go on the main page of my YouTube channel and you will find some playlists that I have all these tutorials. So William wanted me to do another bunny, so I already have these 2 color picks. So after I finish this small vlog, I will be doing the bunny before he gets home from school. And here I'm working in another tutorial, and I'm editing at the same time. I'm multitasking. Well, bored. I'm not getting bored. You know, like sometime, oh, I don't know what to do. I don't know. What should I do? I have like 4 or 5 projects going at the same time, recording, editing, and everything. So this is for a crochet blouse, and it's a 2 round for the motif. I have already these ones in here. I already recorded a tutorial on how to do these beautiful motifs. Let me find one that I already has sewn the tail. That way you can see the fold a little bit better. These ones. Let me see if I can find one with a really beautiful color. The colorful one. Yeah, I found one. Some of them have the tail, some of them don't. Look at how gorgeous this look. And this is a 2 round motif. The only thing that are very long stitches and very, very easy to do. And then what I'm going to do is, after, when I record the tutorial of the blouse, I will be working with black to put them together. just chain and chain, space. So I'm using two ball of yarn, or two different color ball of yarn. Probably I will use more than two because I wanted to do long sleeve. That's my plan. Let's see. And I'm using these two color, this one and this one. You see they have the same, almost the same hue, because this one have purple, this one have purple, different shade of purple, but this one they have like an orangey, this one have more like a yellow orangey color. You see that they really go together. They look really nice together. And then I'm doing some motif with this one, some motif with the other one to combine as I work the blouse. So these ones are the loops and thread washable wool, 85% wool, 25% nylon, and the color of this one is Bonfire at Night, and this one is Mardi Gras. They look really, really nice. So that's what I'm doing right now. I'm working on these motifs for that tutorial, and I think I'm gonna use more than just one ball of each, because I only have this left of this one, and I already used some of these. I have 4 of these done, but you look, this is from that one, and this one, and this one, and this one. This one's are from that one, and they look really nice, you see, with this one from the other one. They will look really nice, and with black I will go everything together. So I'm working on those. I have 20 done. I will need a lot more, because like I mentioned, I wanted to do long sleeve. That's my plan. If I change the idea, I will let you know once I'm recording this, but in the tutorial I just show you how to do one of these, and from that you can do a pile of these if you want to make the blouse. They're very easy to do, like I said. And I'm working on another project. This one is the same type of yarn as that one. This is for a blouse. I already done this strip, and I will be done in a strip like this, but this first one you do the whole thing, and then the other one will be attached to this one. Like this one will be like that, and the next one leaving a little, and then the other one shorter for the neck, and then the other one, and then leaving the opening for the arm. And then the color, I don't know if I'm going to use the same ball of yarn or a different that will go, but the thing is that the next one I don't gonna start matching this color to try to do the stripe. I'm gonna try to start probably with the light with the purple here, and then start with the purple, and then it will be the light gray here, and then the blue, it will be in the section of the gray, and so on. You see, don't gonna match the color, and you'll see it will look really, really nice. That's my plan. Let's see how it works out at the end. One thing is what you think, and one thing is how it's gonna work out at the end. And another thing that I've been working when I'm doing my editing, or when I don't have nothing else to do. I was doing this with leftover yarn. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this. If I do a necklace like this, look how nice this look, or with some fringes here, or I will do something like this for the top of the blouse or something. This is just leftover, different shape, different sizes, you see, like that. And in these ones, in the two row here, you see something green. It's because I put some of this core inside in green because of the green hue in these ones. I said I'm gonna put to make it more open, that way they don't fold in half. You see, they stay more open. So I don't know if this will be good for a blouse, but I don't know. Well, just something, having fun, creating, designing something different. I don't know what I'm gonna do with it. So if I do something with it, I will record a video, a different color, and I will show you how to do this. Just having fun. So I know that I promised that I'm gonna do some polymer clay buttons, so I have to get in here everything that you're gonna need to make the buttons, and I will do a small video showing you exactly the materials you're gonna need, and then after that I will do the tutorial, because I don't want to do a tutorial and then you're not ready to do the buttons. You need quite a few things to do it. Well, just polymer clay, something to roll them, and something to cut them, a shape, and a small oven or the big oven to bake them. You need to bake them. They smell a little bit, but there's not a horrible smell. So if you don't like to have a strong smell in the house, and then maybe that's not for you. But when you bake it, after 15-20 minutes, the smell is gone. Especially if you do it during the summertime, that you open the windows, it's no problem. But if you live in a country that you don't have winters, it's no problem either. So I'm gonna continue working on this. Let me count this, because I had to have 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So I'm gonna continue working on this and editing my video. And now I will upload this small blog in the channel. That way, for tomorrow. This blog will be out tomorrow, so hot from the press. So this one, when you make this, they don't gonna sit flat. The first round don't sit flat. So if you're making this and you see the first round that is not flat, don't worry about it, because it's don't want to sit flat. Like I say, when you do the second round is when this will sit flat. When I close it here, you see, it don't. But then when you do the second round, it's nice and flat. And especially after you do the other rounds around. Well, before I finish the blog, I want to show you this yarn that I bought at Michael's. They were on sale. Look at how gorgeous they are. They're ombre. They are the Craft Smart Ombre. I bought these two colors. I bought 3 of the purple, because I absolutely love the purple shades. And 2 of this pink. I don't know what I'm going to do with them, but I will create something beautiful. So I'm going to cut this blog here, nice and short. And I hope you guys like it, and give it a thumbs up. And share my video with friends and family. And if you make any of my project and you want to send me some pictures, you can do it through my Facebook page, Ruby Ne Crochet Tejido, or my Instagram, Ruby Ne Crochet Tejido. Please share my video with friends and family and in groups. I really appreciate you guys doing that little bit of help for the channel, just sharing my video. I really appreciate it. I wish you have a beautiful day. Bye.